Guys, welcome to Hawkeye Projects. We're at Eden Park again. I thought I'd bring you down here to show you the progress on this project thus far. So as you can see, the last time I was here, I showed you the set out was complete, ready for site cut and preparation for the drains. So as you can see here now, all the drains are in. We've progressed quite far since last time we posted this. So all the drainage is in, and the steel's just about all done. Everything's been cut. This is actually what they call a raft slab, which is a conventional slab. A bit of old school. Nothing wrong with a bit of old school. Basically, this is these areas through here that you can see. They are normally on the new modern waffle slabs. This area I'm standing on here, and you can see all these trenches, and then they've utilised the ground to act as support for the slab. And normally on waffle slabs, what I'm standing on right now would be waffle. So look, in my books, it's probably a much better and stronger construction. Whether it's stronger or whatever, there's two schools of thought with that. But whether you're waffle, whether you're raft, it doesn't really matter. Both are pretty good. But I just prefer raft slabs, and a lot of clients prefer them. So yeah, we're just about done. Plastic's in, steel's just about complete. Then we've got to continue all the way through here. This is a really big home. It's nearly 50 square home, so it's quite big. Yeah, we'll be pouring in the next couple of days. We've already had a pre-slab inspection, which the inspector will come out, inspect all the trenches, make sure they're all that meet code, and then we'll do a steel inspection. He'll come through, inspect all this steel, make sure it's all been installed correctly, and then we're right to pour. So we'll be pouring on Thursday. What day is it today? Tuesday. So a couple more days and we'll have the slab poured and ready to frame. So we'll keep you in the loop. See you guys.